birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kamusta naman, sis? Any message? Message mo?
Mamaya, oo, okay na yung remarks.
Mamaya. May request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem. And then, joke lang po. Practice lang. Upo ka muna dito, sis. Kamusta naman ang pakiramdam na 50, ay, taon pa diba? Na 18 years old? Upo ka muna.